I always try to introduce healthy recipes, especially for kids, and I'm going to show you how to do avocado crepes or avocado pancakes. When we have well-ripe bananas, we always try to do something with that. When we have avocados like that, we can use that in cooking too. So this is one recipe that you can use avocado, and I'm going to show you how to do the avocado crepes for this recipe. I'm using one well-ripe avocado, a pinch of salt, sugar, about a teaspoon. If you are doing sweet pancakes, you can add more sugar. About a cup of flour. It depends on the size of the egg. So until we get the batter for the pancakes, we add flour, but not at once. 2 eggs, about 20 grams butter, 250 milliliters milk, quarter a teaspoon of baking powder with some vanilla. So let's start doing it. Into a blender, add the milk. Into that, break the eggs, sugar, vanilla, salt, baking powder, and add the avocado. Add the melted butter. Don't over blend this, just do a few seconds. So after, add the flour. The size of the avocado and the size of the eggs decides how much flour needed. So add a bit of flour. Don't make it too thick either. The consistency like this will be alright. So I'm going to take it, and I have about another half a cup left. Into a pan or your pancake maker, add some oil. Brush it all over. This is a very delicate pancake, so you need to work with a bit of patience. If you are doing it in the pan, make sure to do it on a very low heat. Add a spoonful. Spread it a little bit. And cover. Once it is well cooked on one side, turn it over to the other side slowly. Once it is ready, take it out. And when you do this, make sure to do it with a bit of patience, because they are very delicate and you can't spread it a lot. It has to be like small pancakes. This is a very good breakfast that you can top up with some maple syrup or even some fresh fruits or even a savory filling. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.